Sorry for my voice. I got really, really bad cold. Shit. What's up, you guys? Nello here, and welcome to. Will you press the button now? Here, so because it's nearly um Holy Week in the Philippines. I think that is tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow prior to the uploading of this video. Yes. So, what do we got? What do we got? We got, will you press the button? Yes, this again. This, this game. This just messing with my head and stuff. Yeah, fuck it. Now, here we go. You press the button. You get super intelligence, a perfect memory, and psych powers. Whoa, I like that. Your muscle become too weak to move. Whoa. That. Oh, shit in my head right now. That is the consequence that you're super intelligent. I think this, your brain here is like so big that your muscles can't actually carry your brain to move. This is so bizarre. I don't know what to answer. Um, excuse me. But I think I like to move. No, I don't like to move, so I will press a button. Okay, so where did that? Oh, almost. Oh, they'll not press the button, so yeah, I don't blame them. I don't blame other people, so I press the button. So maybe some of them like to move, go outside, and play like you know like ordinary people, and yeah. So let's go to the next and see what we got. Um, will you press the button? Okay, sorry for the internet. This is so slow. Fuck. It's still. Um, okay. Breaking Bad will continue for years to come, and it gets better each episode. Basically, I don't watch Breaking Bad. I don't know what is it, so I'll assume I know it. Yes. You lose the most loved person in your life. Oh no, I'll not press the button here. That's so dark. So dark. That is a dark. Oh, 21% of the voters actually pressed the button. They like Breaking Bad so much. I think I need to watch that so I will get the trend. 79 did not like me. I did not press the button for this with episodes of this because family is more in the Philippines. Family is the most important, basic and important society. Basically that is the relationship. Yeah, but yeah, let's go to next. My brain is dying. Okay, we'll press the button. There will be complete peace in the world. Oh, I love this. Everyone you know or have been known dies. Again, that's dark. But yes, you'll find peace. Okay. So for me, I don't know any politicians or shit like that. I I don't have any known. known person in who, and again, my brain is malfunctioning right now. Shit. But I'll press it for the greater good, I guess. Well, some 30% voters saw this as a greater good. Damn it. My brain is malfunctioning. Oh shit. Okay, next. Will you press the button? You'll become the most talented musician who has ever lived. Oh, I love this. I'm also a musician. Okay, your favorite musician will die and everyone blames you for his or her death. Damn, I got some darker life than this butt here. I got bullied and shit like that and stuff like that. But will blame? What have I done? Why? Maybe I'll go to jail if they blame me, but only blame. They have no evidence of killing me. That well, basically, I have many favorite musicians, mostly bands and yeah, stuff. Maybe they'll die. if if I press a button, if I press the button, then it will get a reality. Maybe all of the bands will die because I love them all. I don't favoritize every uh bands and or like that. Some if to said I my brain is malfunctioning. Okay, just press. Okay. Almost split. It's a 60-40 split. Okay, it's a 40-60 split. Then they some 60% people don't wanna be embarrassed because of the uh what happened to the favorite musician, or why he died, or you don't want to be blamed or something that he didn't do. But it's just a blame. You can't be jailed because of it. Yeah, still my brain is malfunctioning. Why did I play this when my brain is malfunctioning? Okay, you get you get to be the best sailor in the world. Oh, nice. You get it's like an anime an anime. You know that anime when you eat something, then you get powers, and you become pirate, and the consequence of that fruit or power, yes, is you can't swim on the sea. You know what I mean. You know the anime what I'm talking about. So I don't like to say a name here because maybe you said, oh, that's his favorite anime. No, I said all of the things are my favorite. I don't take any favoritism. If it's really bad, then it's really bad. Yeah, like my videos. Oh, my ego. Holy shit. Oh yes. Should I get the break? Nah. Okay. I will not press it. I wanna learn how to swim. I don't know how to fucking swim. Then you give me this question. What the fuck? Okay. It's a 60-40 again. 60-40 split again. Damn it. So they. So. si- Okay. Still my brain is malfunctioning. Okay. World peace. Hunger is not existent. Everyone in the world is happy. You have to move to another planet where there is no peace, everyone is hungry, and happiness doesn't exist. Well, okay, I will press it for the greater good. It's good. Even if I vanish, at least I save humanity. If you save humanity, then you'll be great. You're even if you even torture comes upon you, and no, just uh, as our president, the 16th president of the Philippines said, even he burned in hell, at least he give the Filipino people heaven like that. But he is really giving us heaven. So nah, we're so lucky we have that president. Yeah. Hey, Trump is better too. Only bashers say he is he is not better. Okay. Next. Oh, that is a 43-57 split. And we got get to hang out with anybody famous you want. Oh god. I'm already autistic. Yes, I'm already autistic. Yeah. Some some motherfucker say that in my back. Yes. Okay. No. Okay. I just wanna hang out on my own. I'm an introvert, remember. I don't wanna hang out with anybody or shit. I just wanna stay home inside. Yes. I just wanna stay home inside. I don't wanna go anywhere with anybody, even famous people. I don't. If I go with them, I just go take a picture and go away and shit. Okay, I'll not because I read this. I'll never press a button now. I'm not awesome. I'm a garbage. Haters get jealous and try to kill you. 50-50 chance of death. Hey, I'm in this world. I'm in this world now. Well, yeah, in the Facebook world, if you don't finish the video, then you get bashed again. So the moral lesson is finish the video before you react, because judgmental shits will be on your comment box and say, "Oh shit, you should finish the video first." Then because before you react on this video, yeah, just fuck them. Actually, I'm in this world. I'm really in this world. I'm so awesome. But haters get jealous and try to kill you. Yes, they are trying to kill me, not outside, inside. Yes. 38% is super awesome. Super, super awesome. They are super awesome. Okay, let's try next. You know the existence of God and the afterlife. You cannot tell anyone. Okay, this is mind blowing. Okay, I need to take a few minutes of your time to think of this. Okay, a few minutes or a few sentences, I guess. So, I know God exists and afterlife exists, probably, but just a secret. Just a secret. This is really weird. Just a secret. You cannot tell anyone. How is that? So if even if I press or not press it, anyone will never know that the afterlife and God exist. I don't. Yeah, they wanna die. They wanna know afterlife exists, but will never tell it. I guess they wanna share. Don't wanna share someone. Oh, the afterlife, God and afterlife exist. They don't wanna tell it. They don't wanna inform others. You're gonna just wanna keep it secret. Okay, this last one is for you guys. So, oh, this is for I think for the chefs. Okay, this for you guys. You should answer in the comments below. Okay, you can make any meal masterfully. You can never eat it. Oh, I have an answer to this, but I'll leave it to you guys. So this is me. I'll take a break soon. Wait, I think I'll post. I'll never post in April Fools slash Easter Sunday, so I can get my vacay right. No stresses and such. So advance Easter Sunday, Happy Easter and April Fools. Yeah. So here's Nilo. See you in the next video. Paalam!